Hello, children. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. Today we will learn the letter G from our English book. Zigzag Zoo, my ABC. So, which letter is this? This is the letter G. This is the capital letter G and this is the small letter G. And here you can see a giraffe and grapes. These two words are starting with the letter G. Giraffe and grapes. Sometimes G will sound like J, like giraffe, and sometimes G will sound like G, like grapes. Okay, so sometimes it will sound like J and sometimes it will sound like G. So this is the letter G. This is the capital letter G and this is the small letter G. So we can say G for giraffe and G for grapes. G for giraffe and G for grapes. And now come to the book. Page number 25. Okay. Here you can see the capital letter G and this is the small letter G. And here we have a rhyme. And here are some pictures. Okay. So let's learn the rhyme first. Grasshopper plays guitar for the giraffe who was wearing a green scarf. Grasshopper plays guitar for the giraffe who was wearing a green scarf. Okay, so you have to learn this rhyme. Okay, and now look at the pictures. Which animal is this? This is a giraffe. A giraffe is an animal. And what is this? This is a grasshopper. Grasshopper is a kind of insect. Okay, grasshopper. And what he is playing? He is playing guitar. Okay, he is playing guitar. A guitar is a musical instrument. So, these three words, giraffe, guitar and grasshopper, these three words are starting with the letter G. You can see now this G is in red color. G for giraffe, G for guitar and G for grasshopper. So we have learned three words starting with the letter G. And we have already learned sometimes it will sound like J and sometimes it will sound like G. Okay. Now you have to learn this words starting with the letter G. Okay. And now come to the next page. Come to the next page. Page number 26. Page number 26. Here, read aloud along with your teacher. Read aloud along with your teacher. So, at first, what can you see? Here is a picture of grapes. Okay, a bunch of grapes. So, these grapes starting with the letter G. Okay, these grapes starting with the letter G. And here you can see a goat. And this goat is also starting with the letter G. So, we can say G for grapes and G for goat. Here we have goose. Here we have goose. This goose is also starting with the letter G. So here also we can say G for goose. Okay. And here we can see a gorilla. A gorilla. This gorilla is also starting with the letter G. So we can say G for gorilla. G for grapes. We have learned G for grapes, G for goat, G for goose, G for gorilla. So we have learned so many words starting with the letter G, and you have to learn. Okay. Now come to the next page. So here is an activity and you have to complete it, and you have to write SW on this page. It will be your homework. Okay. So here you have to circle the pictures whose names start with G. Help the girl to reach the goat. Okay. So at first you have to circle the pictures whose name starts with the letter G, and then you have to help the girl to reach the goat. Okay. From to drawing lines. Okay. So at first here we can see grass, and grass is starting with the letter G. So you have to circle it. Okay. Then gun. Gun is also starting with the letter G. So you have to circle it. Okay, in this way. And here it is a butterfly. Butterfly is not starting with the letter G. So we don't need to circle it. Okay. Then a gift. Okay. And gift is starting with the letter G. So we have to circle it like this. Here you can see guava. Here you can see guava. Okay, and guava is starting with the letter G. So circle it. And what is this? This is a duck. So duck is not starting with the letter G. So we don't need to circle it. Okay. Then a cat. Cat is also not starting with the letter G. So leave it. And here is a goat, and goat is starting with the letter G. So circle it like this. And what is this? This is a log, and log is not starting with the letter G. So we don't need to circle it. Okay. And now help the girl to reach the goat. Okay. Okay. You have to help this girl to reach the goat. Okay. In this way. So this is your homework and you have to complete it. Okay. Now we will learn how to write the letter G. So let's start writing the letter G. Start from the top or the red line, just a little below from the top. Okay. Then draw a right open curved line from first line to third line. Then stretch the line up and touch the middle line or the second line. Okay, like this. Then from here draw a small sleeping line like this. Then from here draw a standing line from second line to the third line. What it becomes now? It becomes the letter G, and writing G is very easy. Let's practice it again. Start below from the red line. Draw a right open curved line. Stretch the line up and touch the second line like this. Then from here draw a sleeping line. Then draw a standing line. Okay, like this. Let's write one more time. Draw a right open curve line. Stretch up the line. Touch the second line like this. Then draw a sleeping line, small sleeping line. Then draw a standing line like this. Okay. It becomes the letter G. So, writing letter G is very easy. Okay. And you have to practice it. Okay. So, bye-bye.